What was that?
That's the most she's talked all day today.
What was that? Yeah.
She's talking up the storm, but today she didn't wow.
Yes.
You know what? She got talking just like Amy too. Maybe that's what it is.
Yes.
Decided that she looks like her when she was a baby. So now you're in trouble.
Hi.
He'll just tune them both out.
Tell him.
Remember that shirt?
Tell him I feel so much better. I pooped and I had a bottle. Don't.
You want to talk? Ayala.
Holler at her. Holler.
Get your hair out of my
Tell
face.
her. It's not in her face. I'm far enough up.
Yeah, but Jules is trying to get a picture.
No, I'm actually recording video. And we
Tell
do
her.
get sound. Because I want to hear, I want her to. I like it when she talks. Do,
What?
Who's that other noise?
yeah,
It
that's what I was going to
It
say.
didn't work before.
Try again.
Ayala. Hey. No, we're making music now. We don't care. Tell her. Say I had my bottle and I'm full. Hey, up here. Tell her. Nope, not interested. We had a great conversation and you missed out.